So today we've got this tiny little 5-inch record anvil. Done a few of these before. Don't think I've ever filmed one. Going to turn this into a nice metallic-y colour. Record blue paint that seems to be the toughest thing known to man. It's a shame they don't coat their vices with this paint. So I'm leaving the top and the horn in bare metal, and I'm going to metallic spray the rest. And today's colour is Aged Copper by Rust-Oleum. So after leaving this to dry overnight, time to take the masking tape off. Now I'm just going to highlight the word record with black paint. So here's what it looked like before, and here's how it finished up. Now these are actual real anvils. They're used in jewellery making for rings and things, you know, intricate, tiny. Well, that's all for today. That was a quick one. I think it's 100% improvement on what comes out of the factory. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good evening.